Most people think Bangkok is all about chaos, traffic, heat, crowds, noise, and during the day, that can be true. But when the sun starts to go down, Bangkok changes. The city slows down in some places, comes alive in others. The streets begin to glow, food stalls start opening, markets fill up, music gets louder, and suddenly, Bangkok becomes one of the most exciting cities in the world. Because the best time to see Bangkok is after dark. When the sky turns orange and the buildings start lighting up, that is when the city feels different. You can walk through a park in the evening and see families relaxing, people jogging, couples sitting by the lake, and friends eating snacks together. Places like Lumphini Park feel calmer at night. The temperature drops, the air feels better, and after a long hot day, that evening breeze feels amazing. Then there are the markets. Bangkok has some of the best night markets in the world. The kind of places where you can spend hours just walking around, looking at clothes, shoes, vintage items, souvenirs, street performances, random little things you never planned to buy, and somehow, you still end up buying them. Places like Jod Fairs, Srinagarindra Train Market, and local evening markets become packed with energy. There is always something happening, someone cooking, someone singing, someone bargaining over prices, someone taking photos for Instagram, and all around you, you can smell the food. That is another reason why Bangkok is best at night. The street food. Because when evening comes, the city turns into one giant outdoor restaurant. You will see grills smoking on the side of the road, fresh seafood cooking in front of you, noodles being fried in giant pans, people making mango sticky rice, skewers, soups, fried chicken, spicy salads, fruit shakes, desserts, everything. And the best part is, a lot of it is cheap. You do not need to spend a fortune to eat well in Bangkok. Sometimes the best meal comes from a tiny stall on the side of the road with plastic chairs and a long line of locals waiting. That is usually how you know the food is good. Then there are the city lights. Bangkok after dark looks completely different from Bangkok during the day. The skyscrapers light up. The traffic reflects across wet roads. The rooftop bars start filling up. The river cruises begin. And places like Sukhumvit, Chinatown, Siam, and the riverside feel alive. Even if you are not into nightlife, there is still something special about simply walking around Bangkok at night, seeing the neon signs, hearing the sounds, watching the city move. Because Bangkok does not really sleep, it just changes form. During the day, people are rushing, going to work, trying to avoid the heat, stuck in traffic. But at night, people slow down, they come outside, they eat, they shop, they explore. That is when the city feels more human, more relaxed, more alive. Some people love taking a boat ride along the river after dark. Others prefer sitting at a rooftop cafe and looking over the skyline. Some people just want to walk through the markets and try different foods. And honestly, there is no wrong way to experience Bangkok at night. Even the simple things feel better. Buying a cold drink from a street vendor, watching tuk-tuks drive past, crossing a busy road full of lights, listening to music coming from a small restaurant, standing above the city on a SkyTrain platform. Those little moments are what people remember. That is why so many visitors fall in love with Bangkok. Not because it is perfect, not because it is quiet, but because it has energy, real energy. The kind of city that makes you want to stay out longer. The kind of place where something interesting is always happening. And once you experience Bangkok after dark, you understand why so many people say the city is at its best at night. Because after sunset, Bangkok stops feeling like just another big city and starts feeling like an experience.